Malaya ka na, mahal. Natatandaan mo ba nung nangako tayong habang buhay? Sa harap ng altar, kasama ang buo nating pamilya, nangako ka. Magsasama tayo araw-araw at hindi maghihiwalay. Madaya ka. Nauna ka. Hindi pa ako handa. Masyado pang maaga. Hindi pa natin nasisimulang buuhin yung habang buhay. Bumigay ka na. Paano ako? Paano ko haharapin ang bukas ng wala ka? Mahal, hindi na ako sanay nang hindi ka kasama. Alam mo, sana sinama mo na lang ako kung nasan ka. Baka pwede mo naman silang kausapin para magkasama na tayong dalawa. Ni walang eroplano ang makapagdadala sa akin dyan para dalawin ka. Ni walang kahit anong alak, kahit anong gamot ang makakatulong sa aking limutin ka. Sabi nila sa akin, palayain na kita. Nahayaan na kitang maging payapa. Iniisip ko lang naman kung paano ako. Paano naman yung katotohanang di ko pa kaya. Pero alam mo, tama sila eh. Kahit ilang balde pa yung iiyak ko, hindi na mababalik. Hindi na kita mababalik. Kailangan ko nang tanggapin na mahirap kalabanin ang langit. Kung nasan ka man, gabayan mo ko. Hindi pa ako handa, pero susubukan ko. Hilaw ko tong sasambitin, pero mahal, malaya ka na. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. My love, it's always hard to let someone go. Especially when mahal mo pa yung tao. Pero it's even harder for those people na alam nila na yung someone that they are letting go of is someone that they will never see ever again. We have all loved and lost somebody in our lives. Kumbaga, lahat tayo nawalan na. Lahat tayo may mga minahal na nasa mas magandang lugar na. Hindi natin alam kung kailan mapupunan yung hole, yung uwang na iniwan nila sa mga puso natin. But we are still hopeful that one day, someone will make us feel better. They will always hold a special place in our hearts. Hindi yun matatakpan, hindi matatabunan. Others can make us feel better about ourselves, make us feel hopeful that one day we will love again, pero that hole will never be filled. But maybe it doesn't have to be. Kasi wala naman talagang papantay sa mga taong minahal natin ng sobra-sobra, na nawala sa atin ng ganun na lang ka abrupt. We weren't ready, we weren't prepared, we were taken aback by that loss. So that hole will be a hole. Kahit pumasok pa tayo ulit sa panibagong relasyon, that is true. That hole will never be filled. But one thing is for sure. Yung butas na yon will never be filled with darkness. It will always retain a memory of happiness and good things that we had with that person. Lahat ng bagay na itinuro sa atin ng taong yun yung pupuno sa kakulangan na yon. Yun yung magsisilbing laman ng butas na yun. Yun yung magsisilbing untainted na memory that one day the higher power sent his angel, her angel, in the face of the earth to touch our lives. But they need that angel back. Kailangan nila uli yung anghel na yun sa taas. That's why even when we are not yet ready, as long as that person's purpose was fulfilled, kumbaga natapos niya na yung purpose of existence niya here, kinuha siya. So my love, it will take time before maging handa ka, before you become ready to let go of that person, that amazing person in your life. And no one's gonna tell you to rush things. Wala namang nagmamadali sa'yo. Take the time, all the time you need to grieve, to remember that person, to be stuck in the moment thinking of that person. Walang kahit sino man ang may karapatang madaliin kang mag-move on from that. But I just hope you remember that person not because of the pain, but because of the happiness, the lessons, and all the good things na dinala niya sa buhay mo. My love, sa ganito walang closure. Kasi this is a chapter of your life that you will never ever want to close. This may be an ending, pero who knows? Baka may continuity sa next life with this person. But for now, tawagin na lang natin tong open-ended story. We may have lost them physically, but they will forever be alive in our hearts. Claro? Claro.